Am I bright enough for you? Am I bright enough for you, Dan?
Are about to be lit. Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, we do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and a bit of cooking. So if it's something that you like, please stick around and make sure that you subscribe. I'm unboxing my new baby, my ring light. So when I started my YouTube journey, I just watched one video of a really nice YouTuber that I like. Her name is Kylie Bible. I watched her review this lighting and I was like, you know, I watch Kylie Bible, I like her content, let me get this lighting. Not that we are even the same color, but the fact that she reviewed it, I was like, yes, I'm getting that. And I paid £50 for this, and it's not like it's not good, but it's not something that I want to use. The lighting is so high. Since the first day that I used this, I have not used it again, and now I depend on sunlight for the sun to shine so I can film my videos. So if the sun is not doing great, I have to reschedule for the next day. So that's what I've been doing, and I thank you guys so much for even sticking through and watching my last Zara haul, cause that was shit. Sorry, do apologize to my nephews and sons. So it was rubbish. It was, to be honest with you, the lighting was so bad, and as I was watching it through, I was like, oh my goodness, thank you guys. I must, you know, I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you. I was filming, and middle of the filming, the lighting went down. There was nothing that I could have done. So I just stuck through it and continue filming. So I do appreciate you guys for watching, but from now on, trust me, we are about to go down. It's about to be lit. Do you get what I mean? It's about to be lit. You just hold on. Well, and then let me review this bad baby to you. So I got the Neewer 18-inch ring light. I'm just going on Amazon and show you what exactly I got. So it's the Neewer camera photo video lighting kit, 48 centimeter outer, 55W dimension, DLR ring light stand, YouTube receiver for smartphone, YouTuber self-portrait video shooting. Whoo, that was a lot. That was a lot. So it was $71.99, but you can apply a 10% discount, and I think for the 10% discount we pay £65 or so. That's how much I remember. Yeah, £65, and we did get it for next day. It's Amazon Prime, so we do have Amazon Prime. And what comes in this kit, I'll show you. Okay, so the package contains the ring light, the light stand, the soft tube, white and orange color filter set, tripod headset, shoe adapter. That shoe adapter, I guess we will see. A smartphone holder, charger with the UK plug. That's really important, because UK, our plug is not the same as, you know, some other countries. So if you're in the UK and you're getting it, I will link it below so you know exactly which one to get. A Bluetooth receiver and a carrier bag, which I like. So now let me just go through it and unbox this for you. Ring light, yay! I'm sure the ring light is in there. And let's see. Nope, nothing in. So we throw that out of the way, and this is the main thing. And this is how the ring light is looking. Say cheese! This one is the white and orange reflector. So maybe, I mean, I'm more into this, the white one, I will say. This one is the phone holder, I believe so. Yeah, this will be the phone holder, but isn't this a bit too small for my phone? I have so I'm filming with my 11 Pro Max, so if this is the phone holder, I'm not sure even if this SA cannot fit in there. I'm not sure if my 11 Pro Max will be able to fit in there. I do not know. I don't know why they did that. That would be a little bit annoying. This is the adapter. No, not adapter, tripod. Yeah, this is a tripod. Okay, so this is quite easy to open it. You just bring it like so, and then it's open. I have no idea what the hell this is. I have no idea. I guess I'll find out when I'm assembling it. This is the remote control. I'm gonna try and put this together. Wish me luck. Not quite good with things like this, so do wish me luck, and let's get this going. Okay. Here now, if you can you see me? Video about to be lit. Can you see me? Can you see that? All right, let's turn this off. Do you see the difference? Now we are back on. I'm putting on full blast. Now I'm back on. Let's turn it down a bit. So you'll be able to see me live and colored. Now I'm off. Boom, on. Off, boom, on. Off, boom, on. Okay, so now I'm gonna work it out how to do the tripod, and I'll be back with you. Yeah! So this is the phone case. Thank you. Slide it in here. But definitely, let me take the case up. Definitely this is not going to be, oh, does it? Oh! All you do is stretch it. My village people are at work. Oh, my village people are at work. I'm done with the setup, so I'll take a full video of it, and then I'll use this camera to take some badass pictures and show you the before and after without the ring light. Our video is about to be lit. So guys, this is me without ring light, just relying on the sun to shine and bright and do its magic as usual. That's me without no ring light. Now let me put the ring light on. Let me just on the ring light just a bit. I'm not gonna turn it full blast, but let me just on it a bit. So now you see the ring light is just on a little bit. I just turn it on. I haven't even put it on full blast, so I've turned it off. Let me turn off. Can you see? So it's on. So now let's do the magic. See, I'm coming. Am I bright enough for you? Am I bright enough for you there? Like, look at this. I'm glowing. Can you check my makeup? Have I blended it properly? Yeah. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Now I am on. Look at that glow, but we don't want that glow. That glow is a bit too much. That will blind you. If I'm to do this, that is gonna blind you. So I'm gonna make it, look. I like this. This is how we will be doing from now on. Check me out, darlings. Check me out. Do I look buff enough? Bang bang. This is my first unboxing, and this is the Neewer 18-inch ring light, and this is giving me life. I'm off, back on. I'm off. Let's turn it. Some papa not to buy, some papa want to be.
So hey darlings, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? I know you've watched 1, 2, 3 of my videos and you still haven't subscribed. Come on, hit that subscribe button. Now that I'm all glowing for you, more videos are gonna be coming. I'm gonna produce more content. So hey, if this is something that you like, hit that subscribe button and let's grow this amazing family. Until I come your way next time, take care. Goodbye. Mwah.